In this video, I'm going to show you how to add products to Shopify from CJ Dropshipping. So since I'm not directly connecting a live store here, I'll guide you step by step so you'll know what to expect. So first, head over to the CJ Dropshipping official website. So make sure it's official to avoid scam. So if you don't have an account yet, quickly sign up in here. It's just free. So click this sign up if you haven't yet created an account, and then in here you can connect with your Shopify, Google, Apple, Facebook, and WhatsApp. So once you're done signing up and already logged in with this CJ dashboard, and in here you'll need to connect CJ dropshipping to Shopify before importing products. So log in with your Shopify account in here and make sure it's activated, and make sure your Shopify is working. So once everything is set up, you can select a product in here. So click this list and wait for it to load up. And as you can see, this is the product details you want to add to your store. So click on this. And after that, you can now customize your product details in here, like title, description, price, and the variants before it goes live. So assuming we finish this setting up, you can click the list it now button. And after you list it, head over to your Shopify admin in here. Under products, you'll see the new items you just imported from CJ Dropshipping. So quick tips, always edit the product descriptions to make them unique, because this will help with the SEO. Set a reasonable price margin to cover your costs and make a profit. And always double check shipping times and supplier information on CG Dropshipping before listing. And that's it. So adding products to Shopify from CG Dropshipping is a super straightforward once your store is connected. And that's it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.